Good mornings, my friends. My name is Dany Perez. I'm senior trader and co-founder of MDC Trading Academy, and today we're going to see the pre-market analysis for the future of the S&P 500. Good mornings, my friends. Here we are seeing and analyzing the E-mini of the future of S&P 500. If we see here, we reach again the all-time highs, but today and this week it's going to be with a lot of news, a lot of important things that are going to be market movers, okay? And that's why now we are like a little bit in a compression, because we need to see what's going to happen probably today with the consumer confidence. That is a really big news, and it's going to be very important. With the Fed Chair Powell is going to speak today. Remember, the market is aware of what he's going to tell. The market is aware of what is going to happen on the interest rates. Probably next July, the Fed is going to decrease the interest rate. That's something important, because I believe that the market discount that, and the market all the gains that we had in the past weeks probably is because of that. And the last day of the week we are going to have the probably at least a statement about the the trade war that's going to be important between China and the United States. That means that if we see a chart with a little bit more detail, we're able to see that probably the markets reach this important trending line to the upside, and our first scenario is going to be that the market reach at least the price 29.70. But if we see the chart with a little bit more detail, we're able to see that we are just consolidating. Okay, we have two phobos here. Okay, and the market, we don't know yet if we have the third phobo here in order to still be consolidating. If we see the chart with a little bit more detail, we're able to see that here, if you see the angle to the downside versus the angle to the upside, we are able to see that the market now here is just retracement in, and we expect more continuation at least to this area, to this important trending line to the upside. If we see here, we have buyers or sellers everywhere. That's something important, but now we have more sellers than buyers. That means that in this area and this area, we are going to have a lot of indecision. And our first scenario here in the short term, we are thinking that the market probably is going to reach here this important trending line to the downside, and then try to run with a very strong movement to the downside. But then if the market is able to pass, our second scenario activate to here, to this area, when there are going to be a lot of sellers. That means that probably today is going to be a day like yesterday. It's going to be a really slow, but with structure, okay, but with not too much movement of the price. Okay, that's something very, very important, and probably this week is going to be that way, but probably the news are going to just put a little bit gasoline, a little bit gas, in order to the market move a little bit more. A lot of it probably take more volatility, but just the effect of the news. My friend, if you had any doubt about trading, don't hesitate to write us. Our email is info@mdctradingacademy.com. We are going to be eager to talk with you about trading. I'm Dany Perez, senior trader and co-founder of MDC Trading Academy, and we are going to be with you, and we are going to be for you. Hope you have a very good day of trading, and we see you tomorrow.